had no idea. Completely shocked.
There are actually two other parts. Well, your brain goes on autopilot. It's kind of like what happens when you're in a bad relationship, actually.
What our volunteers are experiencing, and what you may have fallen is called choice blindness. In our ice cream test, you had to use your reasoning system to make a decision. But choice blindness exploits your automatic system.
Choice blindness is the idea that you are blind or largely unaware of the reasons for your actions. So if someone asks you, why did you do that? Your brain will just make something up.
There's a good reason why, and it has to do with our evolution.
Your brain evolved to make snap decisions. When a tiger jumps out of the bush, you don't have time to think about it. Your brain just tells your legs to run, and you're often running before you even know what you're running from.
Think about it. You're caught in the first floor of a burning building, and there's an open window to your left. You're not going to stop and think, wait a minute, maybe there's another option to the right.
So now that you've experienced decision-making by both your brain's automatic and reasoning systems, do you think you can tell which one you're using to make a decision? Let's play a game and find out.
Pay attention. I want you to try this very simple test. Ready? Mary's mother has 4
Hello.
April, May, June, and can you name the 4th daughter? If you said July, you're like 80% of the people we tested all got it wrong. And the reason why, amazing.
The Sonata premiere event featuring